everybody, this is Kathy from Cats How Create. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a VR, and this VR is for Mariann's Crafty Corner here on YouTube. She is requesting 2 embellishment boxes. She's having a challenge giveaway, so she's requesting 2 embellishment boxes, and basically they have to be a monochrome colors. So you choose your colors, and it's 2 to 3. And why she is requesting 2? Well, because she is going to, one will be for her and one will be for a crafty fellow crafter that entered her challenge, and she's going to send off the second one to them. Along with these, she was also requesting that you send her at least $5 to help her cover for shipping costs. So yes, and then it is due on the 15th of March. So I am sending this out hopefully really soon, because like always I am very behind. So let me show you what I ended up creating. And actually this is part of paper digital that was I did a design team for Candida Lorusso. I will also link her down in the description below so you guys could go over and check out the digitals. It is beautiful. So what did I do here? So anyways, I did a live making these embellishment boxes, and it's been, yeah, like 3-4 weeks ago that I did the live, and I'm barely gonna send these. I am so sorry. I have a tendency of creating and not sending till it's almost due. Why do I do that? Don't know. Do not know. Procrastination. So I went ahead and put a pink lace here, white trim, and a a pink trim on here. I went ahead and fussy cut the flowers that were in the digital, and then I went ahead and popped them up. Hopefully you guys could see that. There you go. And then I went ahead and stickled all around with the help of my crafty friends on the live. They were able to like guide me to what to do, and that's what I ended up creating. And as well, they also helped me with this one, and I did the same thing, used the same ribbons, just the opposite side, and then went ahead and stickled all these, and I went ahead and popped it up as well. So let's see what I ended up putting in here. Monochrome was a little confusing for me. I'm oblivious on a lot of stuff still. Yeah, just that's me. So after speaking to Tree a few times, it's just like, you know, just this is what I'm going with, and I was like, you know what, I'll just follow what you're doing. So this is what I went ahead and put in here. I went some pearls in here, some twine, some pearl trim right here. This is really cute. I like this. And then I made some rosettes. She did request a handmade item, so I didn't know what she meant by handmade items, so I went ahead and put a few of them. One was a requirement, the rest, you know, anything that you would like to put in your embellishment box. There's some beads in here, a rose that I made out of felt, some flowers. Oh, good thing I noticed this one. I have to fix this. So this was a kind of, I wanted to imitate or kind of redo the same, let me see, this right here, and this is from the Stamps of Life, so I wanted to recreate that. So I went ahead at those were the only stamped or the punches, flower punches that I had that kind of were similar to it, so that's what I did. Some pearls in here, some beads in here, and she also requested that you put your name, your Instagram and your YouTube of who created that, so I went ahead and put that there. I put some roses, I made this little dragonfly, and then I had this trim, and then this trim, and more roses there. So that's about it, and it's the same thing on both boxes, and I did put the same Instagram and IG, so Mariann can choose which one she likes to keep. And now she did also request that you put him in an embellishment box from the Dollar Tree. Now my Dollar Tree does not have the clear ones. I don't remember how I managed to get these, so I was lucky to find these right here. But she wanted the flat ones, not the ones that had the bulky on the front, so she wanted the flat ones. So anyways, this is my entry, and hopefully she likes it. And hi Mary, I'm sorry. And I will link Mariann's channel down on the description below so you guys could go over and check it out. And if you guys still have time, you guys can enter her challenge. So thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.